friends, welcome you back again our another video. Friends, Corda as I have announced already, the last announcement we know already. Free mining has ended 15 December and to claim our core it was last date till 18 December and now the Satoshi mining application available. It's not available till Play Store until now, but it will be available later. Just wait few more moment. If you want to participate the airdrop, you have to download the application from official website. How to you can join this airdrop? Now I am going to show you what you have to do. First you have to open this link available also on YouTube description. You can see here global free airdrop in more 200 countries, 10 of millions users participate. Number one global free airdrop platform, get crypto asset for free, register and start drop. You have to click there and this is your email ID which you are registered already, then click next. This email has been taken, okay, no problem. Register successful, download the app, start now airdrop. You can see here, thereafter you have to click download app. You will get like this an interface. You have to go the below section. You can see here download directory. You have to download this application. I have already installed. After install complete, you have to open this application. I have installed already. 1 minute. After you complete the application, open the Satoshi application which are downloaded from. After download complete, install the application and open this application. You will get like this an interface. You have to go me section and click welcome to Satoshi and enter here your email and password. Then click login. You can see here you have to go first section airdrop and how to you can join this project. You have to click add project and you have to click here and click participate in airdrop. You can see here test coin A. You have to click there. You can see successful participate in airdrop. Participate in this project. Airdrop will take effect in the next round. Airdrop in the system. The next round of airdrop is expected in 29 minutes. This round is airdrop will be appear in the list. Thereafter you have to click claim hash. The claim hash will be available every 24 hours and you have to click also test coin B and you have to follow the same procedure, participate in airdrop and you have to go test coin C and you have to participate here. 1 minute. We have already completed all. Now you have to go again the airdrop section. Now you can see here 1 minute. You can see here TCA, TCB, TCB. You have to join like this same procedure and what you have to do, you can same follow as you have did to receive 3 cash daily. You can see here the below section receive 3 cash by participant testnet transaction. You can do there and receive here. Thereafter what you have to do, you can see here participate in 0 round airdrop. Every 1 hour here you will get your coin. You have to claim here, but these are all for only testing purpose and they are saying we have to participate to understand it better before mainnet. So I am requesting all please join this testnet airdrop. And one more thing friend, I will show you, it's very mysterious things. 1 minute. I am going to now Twitter, go to official Twitter. You can see here 38 following, 38 people following And who are they? You can see here. They are top ranks here. Ice cream shop, Young Parrot NFT, Mid-Edison NFT, William Parrington, Polkadot, Bybit, Kraken Exchange, Coinbase, and here you can see the Binance. As you know, everyone, world number one big exchange Binance. They are also following Cordao. Means you have understand what we are, which project we are involved already. And you can see here BS News, BN, Sarthik, Token, they are, you can see here many they are already following Cordao. And which people you are still not believe yet and thinking scam, they are about no word I have to say you right now. You have to wait and you will get proof as soon as possible. Okay my friends, if you have anything question, contact our Telegram channel. And please don't forget to like, subscribe our channel to get more update about all crypto. We are updating everything on our Telegram channel. So thank you friend. Don't miss this airdrop and wait for next update. We'll update our channel. And thank you friend. Have a great day.